Hello, my name is Janice LaRoche. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator with Stamping Up. And today I'd like to show you how to make one of these cute little boxes. You can use them for party favors, Valentine's, or just a little gift box. We're not going to make these two, we're just going to make this one. And I'll tell you how I got my idea. I used on the embellishment, I used a flower from this kit, actually that flower right there, and it's from the Cake Soiree set, and the kit has ribbon, little washi tape, little clothespins and tassels, cakes and flowers, and vellum flowers with embossed silver. They're so beautiful, and numbers, white and silver numbers. And that's the kit that I got the flower from. So you don't have to stamp anything on this project today. Oh, and this is the kit. As you can see, I've used it quite a bit. Okay, the next part we're going to use this box frame from this Sure Do Love You set. And the frame is actually from the Lots to Love Box Framelit Dies. And I keep mine in with my stamp set, and I keep it on a piece of magnet, so I just keep them together. Okay, and this is in the New Occasions catalog, and you can spend $50 in here and get something free from the Celebration catalog. They have some cute stuff in there. If you'd like me to send you a catalog, please just contact me and I'd be happy to send you one. So let's get on with our project. This is our project. So today I already cut out the framelit. I didn't want to waste too much time. Got the big shot on the side there. And this is what it looks like. And we're going to score that at 2 1/4. Let me see. Bring in my trimmer, and we want to score on the square end, and we want to score at 2 1/4. Bring that up there, and then we want to score at 2 1/4, 2 3/4. Okay. Wow, I did not get that straight, but okay. There we go. Put my trimmer aside. So now what you do is you fold and you burnish all your edges. Make them nice, crisp little lines, okay? Fold, 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 fold. It just gives it a nice, easy fold when you get ready to fold all your parts together. So what we're going to do, this normally would make a whole box. You put 2 of these together and you put this part down the bottom and it makes the whole box this size. So your box would be like that whole size there. But I'm doing half a box. Alright, so you just snip down in here, snip down in there. And let's just cut it off, just miter it a little bit. And again, on this side. And miter, miter. Put the snips away. Okay. So now what I do is I just fold this down, because that's where I'm going to tape as close to this edge as you can and this edge as you can. And I'm going to use Fast Fuse because it's really good tape. And you just bring it down the edge. Then we'll fold these in and bring this up, and let's see if we can do this without the other side of the Fast Fuse sticking. Let's try and get it as square as we can. That looks good. and stick it down with your finger. And then same on this side. Get it square. And stick it down. Now how easy is that? You can tuck it in, or you could leave it out like that and put an embellishment on that if you wanted to. Today we're going to tuck this one in. This one I didn't. I left out like that. And I just put the embellishment over it. But we'll tuck that one in. So take your washi tape and just put a piece around the whole top area. You can actually put it wherever you want to, but this is where I'm putting it. Sorry. There we go. And then you join it up here. Let's see if I can fix this. Undo that. Stick it down. Oh, goodness, I'm going to just cut it off. Well, I thought I was just going to cut it off. No. That's why I get glue on my scissors. I used the wrong scissors. Right. So, okay, this is the front. Let me try and straighten that a little bit out. There. You can't even see it now. And then we take the flower, and all we do is put some fast fuse on it. Oops. And we stick it on here, wherever you like. And how's that for a nice little party favor? Or you could do them for Valentine's for your workmates, or make children's ones. You don't have to do this stuff. You could do children's ones for the kids for Valentine's Day at school, or to give to their friends. But I thank you for watching. If you do need a demonstrator, I'd love to be your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And I have a website. It's stampingnana.com. If you'd like to go take a look at my blog or my website, you can order from there, or you can just look at all the tutorials. And again, I appreciate you watching, and thank you. Have a good day.